Hello friends, today I am taking you to Pakistan Monument. It is located in the capital of Pakistan, Islamabad. Pakistan Monument was constructed to symbolize the unity of Pakistani people. It is dedicated to people who sacrificed their today for a better tomorrow. Its construction completed on March 23rd, 2007, and it became a popular tourist destination. The design of the monument is based on Mughal architecture of the subcontinent. Its petal shape is derived from Makkarnas of Mughal architecture. The four large petals represent Punjabi, Balochi, Sindhi, and Pashtun culture of Pakistan. The three smaller petals represents the minorities Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. On one side of the monument there are four pillars. Inscribed on them is unity, faith, discipline, which is Iman, Ittihad, and Nazm in Urdu language. This is the national motto adopted by country's founder Muhammad Ali Jinnah. There is a Pakistan Monument Museum at this location which narrates the history and tells the story of the creation of Pakistan. But unfortunately, it was closed the day I visited. You can see most of the Islamabad from this location due to the elevation of Shakarpariya Hill where Pakistan Monument is located. There is also a souvenir and a tuck shop at this location where you can buy various gifts and Pakistani handicraft. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I share my life experiences on this channel with hope that it will help them and make their life easy and happy.